Are you stuck while retrieving information from the Microsoft Store? Then you are at the right place, as we know how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. While downloading an app from the Microsoft Store, if you get an error message saying retrieving information from the Microsoft Store, here is how to fix the problem in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Let's get started. Method 1. Check internet connection. To check your internet connection, follow these steps. Press Win+R to open the Run utility. Type ping 8.8.8.8-T and hit the Enter button. If it displays a positive response continuously, you have a valid internet connection. Otherwise, it is suggested to opt for another internet source. In most cases, you might find an error saying request timed out. Method 2. Sign out and sign in to your account. When you download an app or game, Microsoft Store fetches your account details for any subscription or else. If your account has some issues, you might not be able to download any app. To sign out and re-sign into your account in the Microsoft Store, follow these steps. Open the Microsoft Store using Windows Search. Click on your profile picture. Click the Sign Out option. Then click on the profile avatar and select Sign In. Choose the account and log into it. Method 3. Terminate and repair Microsoft Store. Press Win+I to open Windows settings. Go to System, then System Components. Click on the three-dotted icon of the Microsoft Store. Select Advanced Options. Click on the Terminate button. Then click on the Repair button. Wait for the process to finish. Method 4. Clear Microsoft Store cache. To clear the Microsoft Store cache, type CMD in the Windows search and choose to open the command prompt with administrator privileges. Then run this command, wsreset.exe. You can also follow this link. Method 5. Reset Microsoft Store. To reset the Microsoft Store, follow these steps. Open the Windows Settings panel. Go to System, then System Components. Find Microsoft Store and click on the three-dotted icon. Select Advanced Options. Click on the Reset button twice to confirm. Give it a moment to complete the process. Once done, open the Microsoft Store. Sign into your account and try downloading the same app. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.